today. That is, you're testing how much you know about it. So we had few questions and only few students used to answer me. So okay, very simple question for all of you. The question is, rent received from letting of a premises of a concern is operational income, investment tied up to stock, non-operating expenses, non-operating income.
Non-operating income.
Who was that?
Me. 7867.
Yes, Aryan. Very right answer. The answer is non-operating income. See, try to understand, dear student, still none of you in a position to answer because you have not practiced. Until unless you practice, it will be difficult for you to answer these questions. Next, DAS is examining the policy of a company regarding payment of dividend and retained earnings. DAS is the policy of a company. DAS examines the policy of a company regarding the payment of dividend and retained earnings, EPS, proprietors fund, price earning ratio, dividend payout ratio. Once again, I am repeating the question. DAS is examining or examine the policy of a company regarding payment of dividend and retained earning, EPS, proprietors fund, price earning ratio, or dividend payout ratio.
Dividend payout ratio.
Who was that?
Uh, 7867.
67. Yes, the right answer is dividend payout ratio. Next, let us add few practical questions also. Get me the answer of this question. Net profit after tax ratio will be, net profit after tax ratio will be?
Sir, we need to say the formula.
You have to calculate me the answer. Details are given. The profit before tax is given 20 lakhs. Profit is subject to 30% income tax. The turnover of the company is 50 lakhs. So net profit after tax ratio will be?
Sir, 28%.
I don't know. Let me check. So what you did? 17 lakh divided by 50 lakhs into 100. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No. 14 lakhs, 30%, na? So 20 ka 30%, 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs, 20 lakhs minus 6 lakhs, 14 lakhs. 14 lakh divided by 50 lakhs into 100. Am I right? Those who got me the answers. And that is how we got 28%. So this kind of questions also you do expect in your exam. Very right. 28% is the right answer. So today again, those 5-6 students who were regular in assignment is getting me the answer. Rest all are just sitting idle. नहीं चलता है ऐसे. I really don't like such kind of student in my class or in my course even. Let me see. Again, it is a practical question. So in a comparative statement, and I am asking everything, whether it is vertical statement, whether it is common size, whether it is comparative, whether it is ratio, whether it is trend analysis. From everything, the small question can be asked. And this is very good practice before exam. How you are availing the benefit, it's up to you.
Sir, 27,30,000.
I doubt it is right answer.
Sir, 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs.
Yes, only one student got me the right answer. 30 lakh ka 30% will be how much? 9 lakh? Yes or no?
Yes.
So previous year it would have been 30 lakhs, then only this year it will be 39 lakhs. So the right answer is 30 lakhs. In trend analysis statement, the profit of 2012 being 42 lakhs, which was 140% of the base year. What will be the profit of 210? 2010. What was the profit? So I hope you must be understanding how those objective question is going to be there as a part or parcel of today's exam of yours. Yes, the right answer is 30 lakhs. So from those entire full length questions, small part can be taken up and could be raised as a question of today's MCQ paper. Next, a very high current ratio will provide what? Liquidity, brand value, profitability, or stability. A very high current ratio will provide liquidity, brand value, profitability, or stability.
Stability.
The right answer will be liquidity. Stability will be from your other ratios. See, balance sheet has been subdivided into two categories. One is short-term solvency, immediate solvency. So when it comes to solvency means liquidity. Okay. And when it talk about long-term solvency, that is my debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio, that talks about stability. Kitna stable hai company. Okay. One of the following is not a liquid asset. Cash, data, stock, bank balance.
Stock.
Absolutely right answer. Return on capital employed is also known as. Return on capital employed is also known as. Return on net asset, return on debt, return on equity, return on current asset. The answer is return on equity is wrong answer. Return on current asset is also wrong answer. Return on investment is also wrong answer. The return on net asset is the right answer. Okay. Next. Standard acid test ratio is. Standard acid test ratio is. Yes, absolutely right answer. Current ratio measures the ability of the firm. Current ratio measures the ability of the firm to pay proprietors fund, EPS, loan fund, or current liability. Current ratios measures. Yes, absolutely right answer. That is current liability. Goodwill is known as. I believe entire class should get me this answer. Goodwill is known as fictitious asset, tangible, intangible, current. Yes, the right answer is intangible asset. So few questions. So how you have seen that from vertical statement, from common size, from comparative, we frame the question and we are asking from you. Operating ratio is an indicator of operating efficiency, sales efficiency, production efficiency, or financial efficiency. Absolutely right. Dash is an item of current liability. Unsecured loan, bank overdraft, cash balance, bank balance. So you have seen how ratios say common size, comparative, statement we go. Yes, it is current liability. And now again, let us jump to common size. In common size income statement, dash is assumed to be 100. Gross profit, operating profit, net profit or net sales. What is to be considered as 100? Thank you. I believe now many of you have started practicing and you are getting me the right answers also. Very good. I mean, that shows now I'm getting little confidence that student may score 100 out of 100. Now let us ask another question. Operating ratio is balance sheet ratio, revenue statement, composite ratio or cash ratio. Yes, which is commonly we are doing as P&L ratio. Absolutely right answer. Calculate the quick ratio immediately. So you must be knowing how I am taking you the roller coaster ride. Some question is from ratio, some question is from common size, some question is from trend, some question is from comparative, some questions are directly from vertical statement likewise. I have not received correct answer yet. See, it's very simple. Current asset is 1,80,000. Current asset, huh? Current liability is 80,000. Okay, current liability is 80, and then it is correct. Stock amount is 60. So the answer is 120 divided by 80. 2.120 divided by 80. How much you are getting? Should be right answer. 1.5 is to 1. Comparison of performance of a company over a period of time for the base period is known as cost benefit analysis, comparative analysis, trend analysis, or common size analysis. Yes, the right answer is trend analysis. The function of management accounting does not include Collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, or manipulation of data? Right. Collection and everything is required. Only manipulation they should not do. Balance sheet is a statement of asset, liability, operating, working capital, revenue statement. So you must have seen how, we are clever enough again, one last basic question from management accounting. Management accounting refers to recording accounting data, presenting accounting data, recording costing data, or budgeting the data. What is the right answer? Yes, absolutely right. So I hope this practice must have going to add on the values, must have given you strength for appearing your internal exam in better possible manner. Today, partly I have done the assignment of Viva also. I got to know how many students are really prompt enough to get me the answer. So honestly, today we did assignment and